Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you apps that I use to help me become a better content creator, especially for YouTube. So if you're into it, stay tuned. The first one that I like to use is pre-production. I like to plan things out, and the app that I love to use is Canva. Canva is usually, or it's made for more of a graphic design, and you can do so much with it. The reason why I like Canva for like pre-production, or for me just to jot down everything that a particular video is going to be about, is because I can write, put images, and do so many other things on Canva. I've tried other apps like Norton? But I've tried other apps, even my notes app, it's good, but Canva literally allows me to do so much more. And other apps, they don't allow you to get like stock footages right in the app. Canva, you can do that. I can plan out each and every video according to how I want it. And then when it's time to shoot, I already have an idea of what I'm going to shoot. I don't have to go on and ramble about things that may not be particular. It makes my editing process simpler. So what I do in Canva, I usually use the text a lot to write down everything that I'm going to shoot, or just plan out my video, like my talking points, give it a title. Sometimes I even color coordinate some things, which makes it very easy. So Canva is my app that I use to make pre-production or just to plan things out. The next app is a filming app. So basically, once I plan my video, now it's time to execute it. So the app that I usually use is, number one, I'll use my original camera for my iPhone, but if I need something just a little bit better, I'm gonna use the Filmic Pro app, simply because for me personally, it's the best video app that I've used. That it allows me to control each and every setting, and I can get exactly the shots that I want. The only issues that I do have with the original camera app for iPhones is that whenever I want to lock focus or get some exposure, I can't do it separately. It can be very difficult. So Filmic Pro, I have to pay for it, but to me, it's worth it. Once you're done planning your video and you've shot your video, the next thing that you want to do is edit the video. You want to make sure everything is good. It comes out exactly how you want it. The apps that I use to edit my videos, the first one is 100% free, is iMovie. iMovie, free, simple, and very easy. You don't have to do too much while you're editing with iMovie. If you just want to get your point across, you can. You can simply vlog on iMovie. You just have to know how to use it and be creative. Another app, which is more professional, is LumaFusion. LumaFusion, literally hands down the best editing app on your phone, for me personally. People might think otherwise, but for me, LumaFusion literally gives me what I need or what I do on my computer, all on my phone, and everything is all in one place. I don't have to transfer files. I can edit anywhere, anytime, and everything is good. I can cut exactly to how I want things to be. There's a slight learning curve, but once you get everything together, you're good to go. After your video is edited and now you're ready to post on YouTube, it's time to make your thumbnail. These are the apps that I use to make my thumbnail. Each of them are different, but they all help at the same time. The first one is Snapseed. Snapseed literally is like Photoshop. You can do so much in Snapseed. You can move things around and edit like you're in Photoshop. You can enhance the pictures very easily. The next app that I like to use is Lightroom. Lightroom, mainly for color. You can do some editing, but if you want accurate pictures or you want to change the color of something in the picture, you can do that very simply with Lightroom. Or if you're trying to get that professional vibe and feel for your thumbnail, Lightroom can help you easily. And lastly, the last app that I do like to use for thumbnails are Canva. Canva is amazing. Like I said earlier, it's a digital graphics or digital design app that you can move things around and basically recreate your whole thumbnail from scratch, and I like it. There's so many tutorials online that can show you how to use Canva, but free, 100% free, and I love it. I have done so much with Canva. I recently just did a vision board all on Canva, and I used their like stock footages that they have. All I had to do search and then paste it on there and keep it moving. It's that simple. The last app that I love to use that a lot of people might not consider is actually the YouTube Creator Studio app. That app is very useful. If you're posting on YouTube, you want to see your progress. You want to see what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, how you can improve your content, and things like that. So those are all the apps that I do use. Hopefully it helps you out. And if I forget any, or if there's one that you swear by that is amazing, let me know in the comments below. But thanks, and I'll see you next time.